Hello, children. Being polite and helpful is always a good habit. Let's listen to these short conversations and see how we ask for help and respond kindly using words like please, can, and will.
Open the door, please.
Yes, just a moment.
Can you hold this for me, please?
I'm sorry, I am reading at the moment.
Will you take a deep breath, please?
Yes, of course.
Will you pass me the salt, please?
Yes, sure.
Can I pour you some tea?
Yes, please.